back to Candy Wars. Today I'm gonna be doing the 1 day in my life challenge in Royal High. So right now I'm in the ball. And I'm just gonna dance. Blah blah blah. Let's do that again. By the way, my screen is really glitchy, so let's just start this. Ah, it's so nice. I love it. Oh my gosh. Call me Bob. Got 100 out of 100 on this. I love it. It's so nice. I just want to brush my hair. I'm crying. Hold on, I need to fix my makeup. Oh, yeah, let me fix it right there. That's the spot. Okay, I'm so much better. Now a hairbrush. Yes, we need to fix these hairs before they even vote. Okay, I'll tell.
Oh!
Alex is playing another game. Oh, Alex, say hi.
Right away.
Okay, guys, I'll come back when they start the voting thingy or something weird happens. Because there's a lot of bloopers in this because of me glitching.
And
yeah! Oh my gosh. This is going to be really hard to win. Oh, yeah, glitching. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty she looks.
No.
Look at her! Look at her!
She's ugly.
No, they're not. Stop. No, they're not. Stop. No.
Are
They are beautiful, and you know it.
David.
Oh, hello. Are you? Ah! He just smashed all that food in my face. Now, how dare he? Okay, I'm gonna tell him to the police, and then I'll come back when we're like something weird happens till we start the voting. Okay? Because I'm gonna tell the police on him. Yeah, right now. Okay, I'm going. Let's go. Let's go. He came in with all the food in his right. Okay, no, let's go. I'm going. Okay. Shout out to Ashlyn. She was being really nice. Why am I brushing my hair? This is bad. Okay, if I brush my hair, that's bad. Okay, oh, they're all on their phones. That girl keeps on saying there's bombs. I'm gonna vote for Ashlyn. She's really nice. That's really nice. She was like, oh, I love that name. And
Is that the dance?
Her, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever.
Whoa!
So, yeah, I'll tell you who won.
I just saw Barney didn't.
Yeah, wait intensely in front of the gates to open to see who won.
Oh my God.
By the way, do you guys like my outfit? I was not prepared for this. I just joined the game and it said to go to the ball. And I was like, okay, let me just start the intro in there and start the video for 2 minutes. And I'll only do the whole video on the ball. So yeah, I'll see you guys when that actually happens. And not me just fool around with these bloopers that's happening in the middle of the video. Okay, bye. So this is Ashley. So, I don't know who won. Like, I don't know. So, I don't know if someone won. I think it broke. Well, we're actually going to start the vote thing. So, yeah. Okay, guys. This video is named Random Things in Royal High. Me doing random things in Royal High. That's the new name, not nothing. See? I didn't even kick this out. But I'm gonna start exploring more random things. Okay. This is a diamond. I don't know how much it gives you because I've never tried to go in there. Stop, Alex. So that's a secret diamond. That's like, do you know, to the side, like where the gate is? Yeah. So you can see where I am, like where the little braids that cross over. Secret diamond number 2 coming right at you in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Before I tell you the next thing, I got really hungry. So why not get some food?
The white box.
Okay, let's get a drink because this drinks are cooler.
Bubbles?
So you go all the way down. Let's do a mermaid frappuccino. Okay, so we're gonna share a dorm. No, like a room. Okay. So a mermaid frappuccino. I order it. It's 12 diamonds, super expensive, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna say okay. You know, that type of stuff. Oh, okay. My mermaid frappuccino is ready. That was super. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get a chocolate.
Yes.
I'm just gonna drink it. Oh my gosh, why are there food? Okay, if I get hungry, I will eat that. I will eat that food that's on the table. Ooh, super good.
Yes.
That's super good.
I'm
I'm gonna save it to show you guys for the next diamond is. Why jam? Okay, guys, this is a diamond. This is the diamond. This is a diamond. It gives you like 10 or 5, so it's not really worth it. So, yeah. There are also diamonds behind that screen. What? The diamond outside. Oof. Outside. Well, I'm gonna follow Ashlyn and let's see where she takes me. Okay guys, this is the waterfall. Wild People 2PE. Yeah, so it has like pink, blue, and if you keep on going up, so fancy. Yeah. That's the bakery over there with the pink there. And this is where you do like ceremonies. See, whatever that says. Coordination. There. This is where you go for coordination. So yeah. Blah 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 blah. Coordination done. Oh, this is another waterfall. I don't know if Ashlyn is waiting for me here. Okay, I'm gonna find Ashlyn and I'll be back. I think she's doing PE. But yeah, I see people doing PE. Ah! Oh, good thing I fly. I don't want to get wet. Do you want to get wet? Comment down below if you want to get wet. No, just kidding. Comment down below if you like my outfit. Because I have nothing for you guys to comment down below. And I want you guys to do something while you're watching this. Ah! Okay, yeah, I got wet, so do you want to get wet? I don't want to get wet. Woo! Woo! I'm not even in PE. I'm just doing it. Spread! Yo! Wait! Okay, yeah. Oh, by the way, this is the biggest tree in Royal High. It looks like a swamp. Like this. Like, phew! Look how big this tree is. No, just kidding. I'm not lying. But I really like this tree. It looks like a swamp. Ah! Okay, I'm going to show you the waterfall from a different angle. Those are the clouds over there. And I'm going to the waterfall again to meet Ashlyn. Where are you? She's at the waterfall. I don't see her at the waterfall. Where? Okay, guys, I'll come back when I see her. Yeah. Okay, guys, so there's like a spot in the waterfall where you come in here. And... no, I have not been here before. Whoa! Guys, this is amazing. So this is all inside the water fountain. There's even lockers. This is so cool. Guys, go check this out. I want you to see it for yourself. There's a bed! Yeah, one day I'm going to be role-playing with... What are you doing? Guys, there's even a bed. Like, what? Do you want to sleep on the ground? Of course, let's sleep on the ground. No.
There's 2 beds.
There's beds.
Oh, wait, there's a secret.
Beds.
There's a secret. Go down. Go down. I just saw
I can't go
tunnel.
down. Oh, I can't go down.
Yes, you can.
Okay, guys, we're going to change it to mermaids, and we'll be back when we do. Okay, guys, her mermaid looks weird, but ignore that. So we are dressed up like mermaids. We look beautiful, right? We are beautiful. We are beautiful.
Now
And we
go
can
down.
swim to the beds.
Look, there's like a secret.
Oh, there's no. No, that's just the water. This is a rock. It's a rock. Okay. Yeah. So cool. Go check that out. I dare you to check this out. It's super cool. You don't want to miss this out. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Ha ha. guys, I'll come. Alex. Okay, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you won't miss another video. Alex, say bye. Alex, say bye. Alex, say bye.
Bye.
It's gonna be the first flying dog ever.
Say bye to David. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification if you want to miss any other video. Okay. Okay, I'll come back when she said bye. She said bye. Bye, guys. She looks pretty like that, too.